How you doing, YouTube? This is Shopball Pete. What I got for you today is this Masterlock number 570. I'm going to try and single pin pick this. Been having some difficulty with it. It's a key retaining lock. Feels like 5-pin. Don't quote me. Man. Alright. What am I missing here? Feels like the pin way in the back. Okay. Felt some things drop there. Wow, come on. Okay, so I zipped it once. What's. Come on. Come on, everybody's watching. They want to see it. Just pop. And there we go. Kind of a long video. I didn't exactly single pin pick. I kind of zipped a little. I know I'm heavy-handed with my tools, but you can buy new ones. Just to show you something, this lock, I fashioned a double peak. Watch this. Or not, but whatever. There it is. So, for all my nonsense with single pin picking, if I do use my own tool I made for this specific lock, you do get a semi-quick open. We'll try that one more time. Oh. And of course, not the second time. Bastard. There it is. Excuse my French. Have a great day. Rock and roll.